In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an EA account. On your web browser, launch it and go to ea.com. Click on the profile icon located on the website, and then select Create an Account. Choose your country from the drop-down menu and enter your date of birth, and then click on Next. Input your email address and choose a unique EA ID, which is your username, and then create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. And then click on Next. Read the terms and click I have read these, and then click on Create Account. Check your email for a verification code and enter the code into the provided field. And when you're done, click on Finish. You'll receive confirmation that your EA ID and email address are now associated with your new account. Click Finish to complete, and congratulations, you've successfully created an EA account. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.